Today, we'll do a quick review of the Harman Kardon Esquire 2 Bluetooth speaker. Now, before I start, let me make it very clear that this speaker has been in the market for quite some time now. However, the reason why I'm reviewing it is because it's still readily available to purchase, specifically in the offline market. And you cannot help but be very impressed by this speaker once you look at it. Because in typical Harman Kardon fashion, this one looks great. The mesh up front, the brushed aluminium sides, the slim profile, and this inbuilt kickstand all ensure that the Esquire 2 looks very premium. The Esquire 2 is marketed as a conference speaker thanks to the 4 inbuilt microphones that it has. You cannot see these 4 microphones because they are hidden behind the speaker mesh. The speaker also has a dedicated button for calling. So, we put its conferencing abilities to test and were quite impressed by the fact that the microphone was able to pick up a person's voice even when the person was pretty far away from the speaker. Harman Kardon does claim that the speaker has inbuilt noise and echo cancelling tech over calls. However, to the other person, it still sounds like you're talking via a speakerphone. Sadly though, the Esquire 2 disappoints in the area where it matters the most for a Bluetooth speaker, which is the audio quality. The bass here is weak, the vocal and instrument separation is also underwhelming, and at full volume, the speaker has the tendency to sound a bit tinny. Here, check it out for yourself.
Who said we were never gonna do it? Almost everybody up until they hit them. For the sinners, play a saints, you'd be so proud.
Honestly, I had much higher expectations from something that wears the Harman Kardon brand name. Finally, the Esquire 2 has a 3200 mAh battery, which is claimed to give around 6 to 8 hours of battery life, depending upon your volume, which again is quite mediocre. The speaker has an inbuilt USB-A port, so you can use it as a power bank whenever required. For a selling price of around Rs 9,000, the Harman Kardon Esquire 2 is a bit on the disappointing side. Sure, it looks great and it can take some pretty good conference calls. However, that's still not good enough for me to recommend this speaker to you, especially when you consider the fact that at the same price range, you can get some pretty brilliant sounding speakers. Therefore, it's best to skip this one and look somewhere else.